Hey garden lovers, quick question. Do you grow tomatoes in your backyard, balcony, or even on your windowsill? Type yes or no in the comments. Let's see how many tomato fans we have in this amazing green-thumbed community. Tomatoes are more than just a garden staple. They're royalty in the world of fruits. But even royal plants need a little pampering to give back their best. This time of year is critical. Your plants are either heading toward a bountiful harvest or struggling. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you 2 simple homemade recipes that will boost growth, improve flowering, and help your plants produce lots of tomatoes. It's cheap. It's safe. You can choose to use either recipe. It's totally up to you. Let's get started. Recipe 1. Wood ash tea. You will need 1 tablespoon of wood ash, 1 liter of water. Mix 1 tablespoon of wood ash in 1 liter of water. Stir it well and let it sit for 30 minutes. Water the base of the plant once every 2 weeks. Wood ash is loaded with potassium and calcium, which are essential for fruit development and strong stems. It also helps neutralize soil acidity, making nutrients more available to the plant. Recipe 2. Baking soda solution. You will need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 liter of water. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 1 liter of water. Water the base of the plant or spray on the leaves once every 10 days, preferably in the early morning. Baking soda helps in preventing fungal diseases like blight and powdery mildew, which can slow down plant growth. Plus, a healthy, disease-free plant puts more energy into producing fruit instead of fighting infections. Want even better results? Combine this treatment with crushed eggshells around the base of the plant for a calcium boost. Within just a few weeks, you'll notice greener leaves, stronger stems, and most importantly, more flowers turning into juicy tomatoes. But keep these important tips in mind. Don't overuse these recipes. Too much can harm your plants. Always test a small area first before spraying the entire plant. Combine with good sunlight and regular watering for best results. So there you have it. 2 simple recipes using wood ash and baking soda that can supercharge your tomato plants.